Alright folks, we're walking in the 1406 14th Street in Milford, Iowa. Close to the ball diamonds, the schools. Nice ranch style home. We got a 4-bed, 3-bath. Fenced in yard for your furry friends. So as we walk in the front door, we're going to have a guest bedroom immediately to the right. A lot of nice space in this house. So we got stairs down. Nice living area, dining. Beautiful deck, and you can see the fenced in play area. So, you know, pets, kids, that's what we have going on. We have a big 3-car garage too, just out that door. We'll check out the primary suite. So you got a jet tub, got the shower, double vanity. You see full bath here, and bedroom there. And these folks have finished the basement, and so large living area there. Really nice sized bedroom here. Little storage there. Big bathroom here. And then a lot of storage back here as well. A lot of storage. They have a lot of stuff, but regardless, this is a big area. Could probably be made into a 5th bedroom. So 4-bed, 3-bath, Milford for $399.